Welcome everybody to Cindy Certified Recipes. I cannot tell you how excited I am today because not only am I making you my bright and refreshing lemon mousse, I am making it with the first crop of lemons off my tiny little lemon tree outside, and I'm taking you guys with me to go pick them. I love everything lemon. It's like having that extra bit of sunshine just surrounding your senses. But before we get to that, I would sure appreciate you guys hitting that subscribe button, and then you can hit that notification bell and you'll get first dibs on all my upcoming videos. Now come on, I can hardly wait. Let's go get those lemons. Well, that was like really fun. I'm so glad you guys were there with me to get my first crop of lemons. I was really excited over that. And here they are waiting. And now we're gonna slice these up. And normally when I make this, I only make it for my husband and I, which makes 2, depending on the size cups you use. But today I'm doubling the recipe. So I need 1 cup of lemon juice. And I'm not quite sure these guys are gonna get me there. So in case I need additional, I always have lemons around, and so here I'm gonna cut some more if I need them. But let's start slicing these guys up first. I gotta smell them. Oh, nothing brightens your day like a fresh cut lemon, I'm telling you. So let's just get these all sliced up. Okay, time will tell here if we get 1 cup of juice out of that. I'm gonna bring my bowl and my sieve over here and we're gonna start reaming those. Moment of truth, you guys. I'm gonna start juicing these guys up. And when I bought this tree from Home Depot, it was a Eureka lemon, and it's one of my favorite lemons, so it just has a particular floral, really nice smell to it. So I don't think I'm gonna get a cup, but we'll keep going. Last one of the homegrown ones. Okay, whoops. Stir that around, get every bit out. Still dripping. All right, it might be close. I don't know, let's see. Got a 1/4 cup to go. So let's put that all back. And slice up some more. Let's try 2 more. Maybe next year I'll have enough lemons off my little tree to double the recipe. That might be good. Let's stir that around. Bring this guy back over here. We got it, with some to spare for some lemonade. That looks really good. Okay, we're gonna be taking this over to the stove, and then we're gonna heat it up with some other ingredients and get this mousse going. Alrighty, we got our pot going here and all my goodies measured out. And so we're gonna start by adding our 1 cup of fresh lemon juice that we squeezed and picked from my little tree. So exciting. And here we have 1 cup of water. One and a third cup of granulated sugar. And 6 tablespoons of cornstarch. Use my little happy spoon that my husband gave me. Get them all out. Wants to stick. Okay. I'm going to turn the heat on low. And we're going to keep stirring that until it gets thicker and thickens up. Mr. Happy Spoon's going to stir. It's just a lemony happy day. Now, I like this to be a little more yellow. You can leave it like this, but once you add this, later we're going to add some whipped cream to this, it really kind of pales it out because this is not traditional lemon curd where you're adding eggs. So I'm just going to give it a little squirt of an all-natural lemon dye. That's good. Ah, much better. That happy yellow color. And again, we're just going to keep stirring this on low heat. You don't want to walk away from it because it seems like it does nothing and then all of a sudden it starts getting thicker. So we'll just keep stirring that up. See it starting to gel. This is where I like to turn the heat down because it can get thick fast from here. Okay, he's sticking to Mr. Happy Face, and I don't want it boiling. So that is ready to come off. I turn the heat all the way off. It's just going to be the residual heat in the bowl in the pan. And I'm going to bring over a bowl here. Pour all that yummy stuff into that bowl. That's good. Got a little extra blob of cornstarch there from that pot I had it resting in. Okay, I'm going to let this cool down just a little bit, and then I'm going to put some of this wrap on there. So we'll be back after this cools just a little bit to put that wrap on there. All right, this has cooled down just enough. And you want to put your plastic wrap down on top of the surface of your lemon curd so it doesn't form a skin. Just like so. And that is gonna have to cool down in the fridge about 2 hours. Usually about an hour if I just make half the batch. So into the fridge that goes, and we'll be back in a couple hours. Our curd is all nice and cooled down out of the fridge. Gonna take the plastic wrap off. Looking nice, all nice and jellified. So I'm gonna set that over here for now, because the first thing we gotta do is to start whipping our cream. And this is 2 cups of heavy cream. And we're gonna beat that part way and then beat up the curd and add that in here in a minute. So let's get this going. Okay, that's halfway there, I would say. And I use these shallow bowls so you guys can see in there more, but it definitely allows for a messier table. So let's get this spooned in there, and we're gonna use the tiny little happy spoon. Oh, I almost forgot. I got carried away with my happy spoon. I gotta whip the curd. Let's give that a quick little whip, loosen it up. Okay, that's all that needs. Now we can use happy spoon. Looking great. Take those off. Put that aside. Give it a quick scrub down here. Smells heavenly. All right, now I have a couple pastry bags here with a couple of large tips on them. I just put them in a tall cup like this, and then you just feed your mousse down into there. Look it out like so. There we go. Coming out. Okay. Bring your glass over, your desired container. Beautiful. One. Add a little more. And 2. And then all I did was I just made some, like in my creamsicle cheesecake video, I just made some little lemon curls because I just want a real simple garnish. I don't want anything interfering with that lemon taste. So I don't want to put mint or something like that on there. So I just want to pop a couple curls on there. And again, you just make these by cutting a little bit of rind off your lemon and wrapping it around a toothpick and hold it for 15 minutes, count of 15, let it go, and you got a little curl. Super simple, elegant. Put 2 per cup. And if you want, you can slip these into the fridge and let them set up a little more, or you can eat them right away. So I'm going to set those over here, and I have one more tip that I'm going to fill and show you in a different glass. And you can fill these as much or as little as you want. This is just a little glass. Pull that out. So different tip. You can play around with them as much as you want. There we go. Couple little curls, I mean a miss. Couple little curls. And it's so cute. I mean, it's so cute. Spoon. Ah. It's drowning in lemon curd. Okay, which one should I eat, you guys? I'll go for the little cute one. It is so bright and refreshing and delicious. There's nothing there. That's why I did the curd without eggs and butter. There's nothing there to interfere with that pure lemon, delicious flavor. It's absolutely lovely. Divine. I hope you guys try that out. Check out my dessert playlists. And I hope you like this video and you hit subscribe. And we'll see you next time on Cindy Certified Recipes. When it's time tested, top-notch ingredients such as homegrown lemons and the talk of the table, it's Cindy Certified.